project is about the cigarette package. I got the inspiration from the Thailand cigarette package like this. They have the scary picture to make the people avoid to smoking, but I can see that it's not very effective way to the people who smoke. They just smoke it anyway. I try something new to make it more design and creative and make the message, warning message effective more than before. Like this one is the first one I designed. It is like a package form that can swap to the hole like this. And this
you can show closer to the lens.
This is I got the inspiration from the hourglass that show that your life will be gone in 3 hours, because the formula research is when we were smoking, the life of us will gone 3 hours, something like that.
Per one cigarette?
Per package.
Oh, per package.
Yes.
3 hours.
Really scary.
So how many hours that you waste your life for the smoke?
Many. And this one is I use the open like a mouth of the demon that still have life, and can write the word that death is coming. Show the effect, smoke effect is bad. What we smoke, what we cause the disease like this. It's already disease.
Yeah.
And the next one. This is like the other one before. It's smoke. It's suicide. I show the picture of the girls and I shoot his head with smoke, something like that. And
Right there.
And the last one is like a coffin. This is the last one. The coffin. It reminds us that when we smoke, we have die quicker.
Okay.
And end in the coffin like this.
So
And when
this
you
one for long cigarette?
yes, not the long cigarette, just original cigarette, but it makes it too long.
Okay.
And when you
what
open
do you have inside?
inside, the first is they have the product that we can see ourselves, like we can see ourselves in the coffin when we smoke.
I see.
Okay, and they also have the cigarette pack in here that remind us that when we smoke, how bad it is.
Okay.
And I have to do something like this. It's like remind us that when we smoke, it say that your life is shortened by 10 minutes per each. When we smoke it, we see it, sure, we see it, and remind us that smoking is dangerous.
Very good.